இயற்கை விவசாயத்தை ஊக்குவிக்கும் நோக்கில் இந்தியா முழுவதும் நடைபயணம் மேற்கொண்டு பல விவசாயிகளை நேரில் சந்தித்து விழிப்புணர்வு ஏற்படுத்தி வரும் சிவசிங் ராஜ்புத் என்பவரை பாஜக முன்னாள் மாநில தலைவர் அண்ணாமலை நேரில் சந்தித்து வாழ்த்தியுள்ளார்.
Delighted to meet Sivasing Rajput ji today in our farm in Coimbatore. He just planted this wonderful tree also there. And for the last 2 years, is continuously walking across our great Bharat. He has covered 17 states. Today he is in Tamil Nadu near Coimbatore. With a very noble mission of promoting organic farming. And another noble mission of promoting Bhagavad Gita, taking Bhagavad Gita to the youth at a very big level. And post his engineering, he has decided to leave his job. Feeling youth of our Bharat should take Bhagavad Gita not only in letter and spirit, but also the way of life. So with that mission, and also with the mission of organic farming, he is here. And also at the same time, since we are also trying and doing organic farming at a small level, his mission is very critical because the carbon content in our soil, it is currently less than 0.8%. Especially in Tamil Nadu, it is less than 0.8%. For a good healthy soil, if you have to save soil, the carbon content in the soil should be minimum 4%. Minimum 4%. A 0.8% carbon content in the soil is as good as a desert soil. Since it's very close to Isha, our Sadhguru ji is promoting Save Soil very vigorously, very, very vigorously. And all the nearby farmers are also followers of Isha Sadhguru. They are also followers of organic farming. So he has come to the right place. After 17 states, today he has come to the right place where a great push is being given for Save Soil as a movement here. I wish Sivasing Rajput ji all the very best, safe travel for the next many months also, because this program is on for until 2027. So I wish you good health, luck, good happiness. Thank you so much.
செய்திகளை உள்ளது உள்ளபடி தெரிந்து கொள்ள ரெஃப்ளெக்ட் நியூஸை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.